Hey friends, if you wish to create Microsoft Edge shortcut on desktop in Windows 11, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the process. Now, it's not very difficult. Here's what you have to do exactly. Search for Edge in the Windows search bar. Right click on Microsoft Edge and click on Open File Location. Right click on Microsoft Edge and then you can select Show More Options, and then you can select this option here which says create shortcut, and then you can click on create shortcut and for desktop, and then it's yes. Now a shortcut has been created for Microsoft Edge on the desktop, but I want you to know one thing. There is already a shortcut of for Microsoft Edge on desktop in Windows 11 by default. So if you don't have it, then check it and then you can add it this way. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.